This is the Aspen Bird Feeder in 100% copper. Designed this one so it will never rust. Looks fantastic colour as well, the natural copper, and obviously it will verde over time. Screw fitting to undo the feeder and give you access into the feeding chamber. I've used a cut-off bottle to use as a funnel. Fill up your bird feeder, finger over the end to prevent the feed coming out until you're ready, and then carefully fill up to the top. Return the base onto the screw fitting. Make sure the threads are lined up, rotate, lock into place, turn around, ready to hang in your tree.